Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Gangstar Mirage City online game lagging, freezing or stuttering problem on Android phones. So without wasting time, follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. So before performing any of the fixes, first check the Gangstar Mirage City online app server status. And if you find that their server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check back later. Now if their server status is online and if you still are facing problem, then here follow the fixes. So the first fix is to simply restart your device. So just restart your Android phones, and once your device restart, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for Gangstar Mirage City online app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Gangstar Mirage City online and then tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it and then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check Gangstar Mirage City online app is working or not. Next solution is to force stop Gangstar Mirage City online app. So tap and hold the Gangstar Mirage City app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on force stop and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to repair the game client. For that, launch the Gangstar Mirage City online app. And once you're on this menu screen, tap on the settings icon and then click on confirm to repair the game client. So tap on confirm. Now it will repair the game client, so please wait. And once the repair complete, click on confirm. This will restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to log out and log in. So again launch the Gangstar Mirage City online app. And once you're on this menu screen, tap on the logout option and then click on confirm to log out. And then launch the game and then log in back and check if your problem is solved or not. Next fix is to clear the Gangstar Mirage City online app cache. So again tap and hold the Gangstar Mirage City app icon, then tap on app info, then go to storage usage, then tap on clear data. Now please take a note over here. Clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you have to allow the background activity for this app. So again tap and hold the Gangstar Mirage app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on battery usage and then check mark the first option, that is allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm. Then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to update your device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, then tap on software update. And if there are any updates available for your device, then update it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it. And then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Super VPN, Ninja VPN, Brave VPN, VPN Windscribe, NordVPN, Express VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location. And then you can go ahead and launch the Gangstar Mirage City online app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Gangstar Mirage City online app. So tap and hold the Gangstar Mirage City online app icon, then tap on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm. And then just restart your device. Don't forget to restart your device. And once your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Gangstar Mirage City online and then tap on it and then tap on install button to reinstall it. And once this Gangstar Mirage City online app get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Gangstar Mirage City online game lagging, freezing or stuttering issue on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.